Do you remember the original £30 Neato D85 that we bought from eBay, which kicked off this long 6 months of cordless vacuum cleaner robotic fun? I got it working, and it was literally because I bought the correct charger for it. Let me have a look and show you how this came out and how it works now, and yeah, crikey, the end of an era is upon us. It works, folks. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner and robot chums. How are you today? Yes, the Neato Bot Vac D85 that kicked off all of this nonsense is finally done. It's finally done. It's also fully refurbished, although obviously, as you can tell by the bin, I have had to put this through quite a lot of testing because it's not been an entirely smooth process getting this thing back together, as you may recall from the black one, which is obviously what made me confirm that yes, you need the chargers. Obviously, I then went straight onto eBay and bought myself £20 worth of correct charger. Well, there we go. Look, it has to be the correct one for this series. Black or white, doesn't matter. I got a white one, so it matches the lovely white casing, which got retrobited. You know, I took all the LiDARs apart and broke those on the after video of the black one, so this now has the LiDAR unit into the casing of this from a Vorwerk VR200, and they are identical, and it works really, really well. The screen is clear and bright. There you go. Oh, it won't do it because the dirt bin's not in. The screen is clear and bright. This nice turquoisey bit makes for an interesting aesthetic, and yeah, underneath is where things sort of fall down a little bit. It's got the tatty brush on it. I did have a better brush, I've just not bothered to fit it for now. Then the base plate, that was the nicer base plate of the two, and yeah, this is the better brush roll of the two, and obviously I do have a better one of these with the other Neato, but for now this has been okay. I do have a few on my eBay watch list, might have to buy one, and we shall see what they're like. But yeah, you know, as it is, I've just put this together using this and the other black one that we had, and yeah, they all work absolutely fine. Nothing, except it's just gobbed a load of stuff out. And dropped a screw. That's the other problem with this thing, because when I bought it, it had been apart before already. All the screw threads are all mangled, and I fixed a few of them, but as you can see by one of the screws falling out. Well, but hey, that's fine. We've learnt a lot. These are now, well, this one's now a complete project box. I am quite familiar with them now. Yeah, it works all right. So this is only going to be a short video, but we shall time-lapse it doing its thing in a second. If you have a Neato and it says it's charging, but the charging symbol does not move, I would immediately look to your dock, and you cannot mix and match them around. It has to be the correct dock for the correct generation machine, even if the voltages are the same. This won't charge on the VR300 dock, even though they're the same internals, really. Hey ho. But yeah, let's show you how it cleans, because it cleans a little bit more violently than the other one, I find. Whether that's the different LiDAR or not, I'm not sure. And yeah, then we'll wrap up. Mechanically, it works pretty well. Really doesn't like going down by the chairs. It's like really confusing for it. Yeah, certainly picks up all the bits. Its main problem is just of its own design. Of course, this is an earlier model, and if we remove the bumper, we'll see that obviously when it hits itself, it has to hit itself through these bits of plastic here. One there, and then one on either side. And the black one doesn't have that. The black one's got a slightly different design, and it nudges the buttons directly. And that's why you probably saw it really push my filming lights over, and it will easily push a whole chair out of the way as well. Because yeah, it just, you know, it takes a little while for it to recognise obstacles. But yeah, I think it works absolutely fine. There are a couple more things that I want to do for it, especially to improve its hard floor performance. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, until the next time, I and my £30, which will only cost £30 on this whole endeavour, it snowballed a little bit. But yeah, the £30 Neato Robotics D80, 85, I don't know, tell me down below, what is this? I always am confused. The Bot Vac will see you soon. Happy vacuuming.